Get it.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Cabarrus County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Union County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Chester County in upstate South Carolina, York County in upstate South Carolina, eastern Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, eastern Union County in upstate South Carolina, until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles northwest of York to 10 miles northeast of Union to 18 miles northeast of Newberry, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Rock Hill, Uptown Charlotte, Monroe, York, Chester, Central Charlotte, South Charlotte, Southwest Charlotte, East Charlotte, and Matthews. A few trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Hail can cause major property damage, especially to vehicles. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Cabarrus, Gaston, Mecklenburg, and Union, and the following counties in South Carolina, Cherokee, Chester, Union, and York. The National Weather Service